Okay, we are on lesson 5.3, page 285 in your book. Our last lesson was taking a percentage and breaking it up into fractions and decimals. Now we're going to do the opposite of that. So on problem number 2, it gives us 3/50ths, or 3 out of 50. And we know that percentage means out of 100. So we need to make all of these out of 100. How did we get from 50 to 100? We multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, 6. 6 out of 100 is 6%. Okay. Number 4, quick trick. Anytime it's a number over the same number, such as 5 over 5, 3 over 3, 100 out of 100, it's always going to be 100%. Okay, it's full, it's total, it's perfect. So you can put that in your notes. If it's the same number over the same number, we're good to go. Okay, number 6. If it gives us a decimal, we have to change it into a percentage. When we were trying to take the percentage last time and put it into a decimal, we had to move it 2 times this way. However, if we have a decimal and we want to change it into a percentage, we have to do it 2 times that way. Please make sure that you put that in your notes. That is way super important. So I have a decimal and I want to change it into a percent 2 times that way. 30.3%. Same thing here. Boop, boop. 6%. Okay. Now we have to do 9 and 11. It gives you either a fraction or a decimal, and it wants you to give the other 2 things. So this one, we need to find the percent and we need to find the decimal. So this gives us 20 as a bottom number, and I know I want 100 as a bottom number. How did I get from 20 to 100? I multiply by 5, do the same thing to the top. 95 over 100 as a percent is just 95, because I just look at this top number right here if it's over 100. And as a decimal, I have to move it over 2 times. 0.95 as a decimal. Okay. This time it gives us a decimal, and we have to move it over 2 times to get a percent. 1, 2, it'll be 40%. As a fraction, I know I have to put 40 over 100, but then I know as a fraction I have to reduce. If both fractions end in a 0, you can cancel them out, so I have 4 over 10, and both of those are even, so I can reduce by 2, and I get 2/5. That would be my reduced fraction for the percent of 40. Okay. Now you are in your worksheet, and you have to do all of the front except for number 7. You do not have to do number 7. However, on number 4, it's going to be tricky because it's an 1/8. Okay. If you still have the cheat sheet of the 1/8 fractions, then this will be an easy problem. If you never wrote down your cheat sheet for your 1/8, good luck. Okay, remember, don't do number 7. And on the back, you only have to do the top 3 of these. It gives you either a ratio, or it gives you a fraction, or a decimal, and you have to fill out the other ones. Okay, so just the top 3. You don't have to do these 3. You don't have to do anything at the bottom. Have an amazing day. Bye.